catch now.
John is with that.
Well, I don't want to reel it into the tip, then I'm really. See, I can't reel much anymore.
That's a big one.
Cut any of those hooks?
Monster. God, what a fish, John.
Still ain't got him in.
Back up. Oh my gosh! Look at that, would you? Good going, guys.
Got him.
John, super job.
Thank you, thank you.
Fishing coach, Mr. John Martin, showed him how to do it on that one. I tell you, he did a fantastic job. Tanny was right there with him the whole time.
Kobe on the front.
We're ready. How you doing, Bob? Fine, how are you? You ready to catch some big fish? Ready, sir, I'm ready. I tell you, we all are. Are you guys ready to catch some big ones? We are. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Put him up the shorts. I tell you, Uncle Short, he is ready. You talk about being patriotic. That is patriotic. Catch some big fish? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are you going to catch? A nice grouper and a nice snapper. I tell you what, you picked the right boat for it. Yes, sir. Big head going to work. Brought my soldier along. We're ready.
Here, guys. We're headed on out there. This is the trip after red snapper season, so we'll be throwing some of those back, but we're expecting a good mangrove vermilion bite tonight. Kingfish are around right now, and then we'll head out and try for groupers during the day and probably throw back a lot of red snapper and some big ones too, but I think we'll be able to put a good catch together.
Should be a good one.
Yes, sir.
We're out of here. This is going to be a good one, guys. A real good one. Just after red snapper season, we'll be looking for mango snapper, huge grouper. We're seeing the famous John Pass Boardwalk. Always something to do. Let's go get them. Beautiful, guys. On the way out. Really mangrove. Fish, so I haven't seen one of them in months. Nice going. Early morning. Some good eating fish there, boy. Absolutely beautiful. Nice and easy.
It's a silver king.
Big tuna. Nice to get it. Tuna jack.
Tuna jack.
So we get them just like that in the lip, Bob, where it doesn't hurt them?
A tuna jack, huh?
Tuna jack.
Way just like a grouper will. So we pop them the same exact way we would pop a grouper. Well, a lot of these amberjacks, they're big fish. They'll float away and die. So if we get that air out of him before we put him back, he is gone.
He's out of here. Yep. Nice going, Will.
Yes, sir.
Nice catch, John.
Thank you, sir.
Fish? Fish. We have fish.
Big red. Oh, another old red grouper. Hey. Good show.
That's what I'm talking about.
Nice fish. Beautiful. John Martin comes through, as usual.
I wish it was the season was still open, Bob.
It is a truth.
And released back into the wild.
Away he goes. We got it. Sorry about that. Okay. Yep. Beautiful.
That's a carburetor.
He's a big one.
Look at his Facebook, amberjack.
Yeah.
Probably got another amberjack here, of course. Oh, that's a big one. Try to pop that hook right out of that sucker. Y'all want to kick it? Oh, what a fish. Nice going, sir. In the rain, sometimes worth it, isn't it? When you do fish like that, it's worth putting up with the rain.
Yeah, it's worth it.
I tell you. That is one nice snapper. That's a jackpot type snapper. Nice going.
Nice one.
Down into an anchor area. So let's go ahead and reel them up. I'm going to jump up to the northwest here.
Get that guy who caught it. Guys, I want you to stand there so I can try to get a picture of you. And they're growing big out here. Look at the size of that dude, would you?
If I wave the boat, I get a better picture.
I got that great big Goliath. Tell us, sir, what was it like?
I was more tired than the fish was.
Did he pull very hard?
We thought I had the bottom, but he kept pulling line, and then we thought he was wrapped around the anchor line, and finally, after about 30, 40 minutes,
So you knew you were in a battle.
I knew I was in the battle.
Did you ever, huh?
Yes.
Nice going, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Give us 16.
One quick thing, Sal. If anyone has been running a tab, we're going to tighten her up.
Who is so into actually catching as many fish as we can, and we have a fishing coach who comes along with us who really knows his business, Mr. John Morgan.
Well, it was a pleasure fishing with everybody today. We had a reasonably good day. The weather was good, cooler than it has been in the past few weeks. The fishing was a little up and down, but we got some quality fish, including I got a really big cobia, which I was pretty happy to get. Gave me a heck of a fight. But all in all, it was a good, solid trip. I think people had fun, and I know that when people come out here, they always seem to have fun. Hubbard works extra hard, goes the extra mile to make sure that the fishermen come out here and have a good time.
Now what a big boys play. Man, did they ever. We got some big ones. Time to go home. Take us home, Captain John. Those bumps really look good. Next stop, Madeira Beach.
Hubbard, Marina, pile up on the stern. That's a good time to get pictures. And then they all done falling out of the stringer. Get your stringer numbers, give them the nose, come forward, get your fish, come down.